What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Here we are with another little review for you guys, and this time I will be reviewing the KNG setup that I have in my car. I get a lot of questions as far as where do I get my splitter, my side skirts, wicker bill. Get a lot of questions on them, and you know, how does it hold up, does it look good, so on and so forth. So I figured I'd give you guys a little bit of a review today just to kind of check it out. My newest piece from KNG is going to be the diffuser. I went with the 5-piece diffuser. I'll leave a link down below as far as the name of it. And then the only difference that I did was I added my reflective red pinstriping that I like doing on all my pieces. So went ahead and did that. But again, if you're in the market for a diffuser, this is the one that I went with. So go ahead, check it out. And it comes with obviously the little fin piece. I did have to customize mine only because I do have the quad tips in the back. So FYI, if you do have quad tips in the back, you may have to customize it. So what happened was we actually had to make another side plate right here. Car's a little bit dirty though, but whatever, you guys get it. Obviously that's kind of, you know, something that we had to do just to make sure it fit though, but I have no issues with it at all. Again, it came out really smooth. I would say maybe the only downside to this diffuser is it does catch a lot of the dirt, as you can see here. So, you know, maybe a little bit on the maintenance side, but nothing too crazy on it. Again, I think it really, really kind of stands out. Go ahead, check it out. So again, if you're in the market for a diffuser, KNG does make this little 5-piece one. So definitely, out of the norm. A lot of times you see people with just kind of this little centerpiece right here, which is fine. There's nothing wrong with it. I just wanted to go with obviously the spats, and then when I saw they had a little 5-piece one that goes around the exhaust, I figured, hey, why not just go for it? So, and then we'll go around this way, and we'll check out the little side skirts that I had in over here. Same thing, made out of good material. And then again, I put my red reflective trim, I guess you wouldn't call it, a piping on the side. So it came out really well. Really kind of matches the car. So check that out. And then we'll get to the front splitter and the 2 rods. Same thing. This was the front splitter, was actually installed by KNG themselves. So they do pretty good work out there, so I had them install it. Again, I went with the splitter rods as well and put in my red reflective trim. Again, it's really made out of really good material. It's really on there tight, so it ain't going nowhere. Overall, the material that they use is really, it's good quality stuff. It's not kind of the cheapy kind of plasticky stuff. So the other part too is their hardware is really nice. It's not the, I've seen some other companies produce some of these splitters, side skirts, so on and so forth, and they have just really cheap hardware to where it rusts and it just doesn't last. I'll tell you right now, KNG stuff, their hardware is really nice. I've had the front splitter on for probably 2 years now. Side skirts for probably a year. And then I will show you guys right now the wicker bill in the back. That's also been on there for at least 2+ years as well. Only thing that I just had obviously installed was the diffuser, and that's in the back. So they do have multiple designs when it comes to these. So it just sort of you guys' option of what you guys want to do with it. But this is basically what I went with. And lastly, let's go ahead and check out the wicker bill. I think this is a 2-piece wicker bill. So, and then I went with the custom rivets that I had. So did that again with my reflective vinyl. It's pretty well themed in the car. So I did have a little bit of an accent right there, so I got to get that off though. But again, overall, look at the car. Again, looks really nice. So again, guys, if you're in the market, hit them up. They do pretty good work. If you're in LA area, they do installs all day long. But yeah, so that's my little review on it, guys. So again, if you have any kind of questions, go ahead and leave a comment down below. But I'll leave you guys here for now with a little bit of montage. But again, thank you guys for stopping by. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.